someone who looks just like you in the backseat with a hand on the sun. I swear it was the dress that I gave you, and I wonder, is your favorite color still blue? I don't really know how to sing that, that's why I decided to play it first, but yeah, whatever. Good day, everyone. Today we're doing Kane CHICKEN TENDIES, alright? So we're gonna play this in basic chords. We're not gonna use the capo. I'm gonna show you how to play this from a beginner level, intermediate to advanced, alright? So just stay tuned for that. Okay, so first things first, let's do the chords of the song, alright? So now I'm gonna plug in my earphones so that I know I'm giving you guys the right chords while I'm actually listening to it, because I haven't listened to this song before, alright? So let's start from the very beginning where we have that intro thing going on, alright? Because I literally started listening to this song today. I'm like, wow, this is amazing. I should teach this on guitar. Alright, so the first chords are, so that's G, A minor, E minor, C, back to G. Alright, so that part is basically, I think something is wrong with that earphone. What is wrong with these earphones? I think something is wrong. They're not loud enough. Or the song is just not loud, maybe. Better. Alright, so we have G. G is 3, 2, open, 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 1. Okay, so we're playing G. And then we go to A minor, which is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. Right, and then we go to E minor, which is open, 2, 2, open, open, open. Alright, and then we have C, which is open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. And then back to G. Alright, and I've already showed you how to play G. So we're playing down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, and then down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up. Okay, so that's my strumming pattern. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up. Okay, so G to A minor to E minor. And then you stay there for a little while, then C, and then G. G to A minor, E minor. And then C to G. Okay, so with this strumming pattern, you don't necessarily have to strum all the strings, okay? So when you're strumming down, you're strumming the top 4, and then when you're strumming up, you're strumming the... Okay, when you're strumming down, you're strumming the bottom 4, the bass notes, and then when you're strumming up, you strum the top 3, okay? Like that. Moving on, we're gonna get into the rest of the song, just giving you the chords, okay? Then love in vain, wild and free. Okay, so that's your fool. That's a C. Okay, so you do this intro thing into the verse. In your fool, C. Sorry, A minor, E minor, G to D. Okay, so you're full of na na, E minor. So that's A minor to E minor, and then I'm forgetting how it went there. Okay, so A minor to E minor, and then you have a G, and then a D. Okay, so D is open, 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 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay, and here I'm basically plucking the strings to get the effect of the song. Okay, so we have na na na. Here I'm plucking strings 5, 4, 3, 2, na na na, and then for E minor it's 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, and then G you pluck 6, 4, 3, 2, and then for D you pluck 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so A minor 5, 4, 3, 2, E minor 6, 5, 4, 3, and then G 6, 4, 3, 2, and then D 4, 3, 2, 1. So you're full of dreams, eh? Na 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 na. Okay, so that's just down, 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 down. Okay, while I'm muting the strings. So that's G, 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 G. Okay, and then we get into the chorus, I think, or the pre-chorus. I'll be trees you better than. Okay, so I hope you heard. That's C to G, E minor to D. Okay, so I hope you know. C na 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 G na 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 E minor na 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 to D. Okay, na 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 down 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 up down 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 up down 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 up down 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 up. Okay, that's my strumming pattern for that part, and then we get into that whoa is the same as the chord, so we play. Okay, same as the intro. Sorry. So let's now do the more complicated stuff. Okay, so we have. It's not complicated actually because I'm going to simplify it for you. Okay, so this note is actually a G. Okay, but we're gonna play it up here. In fact, I'm gonna show you both ways. You just pick what works for you. But then this is like covering 5 frets, so not everyone has such long fingers to be holding 3rd fret of the E string, the bottom E, and 7th fret of the lower E, of the higher E. Sorry. So we have. This is now A minor, and I've just shifted from fret number 7 on the E string, the high E, to fret number 8, right? Now it's with the A string, right? So now the plucking pattern here is basically, so that you pluck all at once, and then you go 6 1. So that's pluck 6 1 6, pluck 6 1 6. So it's the same for here, except you're just using now string number 5 instead of string number 6. So we have pluck 6 1 6, and then pluck 5 1 5, and then you go to E minor. So that's G, A minor, and then we go to E minor. So on E minor, you're basically just holding the 3rd fret of your higher E, and you're using the bass as open 6, right, which is open lower E. So that's pluck 6 1 6. Do that twice. So pluck 6 1 6, pluck 6 1 6. When I'm saying pluck, you're plucking both strings simultaneously. And then we go to C. And for C, I'm doing, while holding the C chord, of course, you're just using the 5th fret, the 5th string, sorry, 3rd fret, which is the bass for C, and open 1. And then you go to E minor. And this time you're holding, this is actually like a B minor 7, right? But we're just holding 2nd fret of string number 5, or the A string, and then 3rd fret of your B string, and then back to G. So C, E, G. And this time for G, we're using the 3rd fret, right? The bass for G, and then open B string. Okay, so let's do that again. The first time we're using G, we're using strings 6 and 1, respectively frets 3 and 7. And then we go to A minor, where we're going to be using the bass for A minor, which is open string number 5, and the 8th fret, right? 3 5 7 8, yes, the 8th fret of the higher E string. And then we go to E minor, where we're using the 3rd fret of the higher E. And the bass is open, number 6. And then we go to C, where we're using 3rd fret of the A string, right? And then open, higher E. And then we have this E minor or B minor, right? Whatever you want to call it, which is 2nd fret of the E string, of the A string, and 3rd fret of the B string. And then we go to the last G, which is going to be 3rd fret again of the 6th string, and open B. Right? So let's just play that one time. Sorry. Okay, now if you have smaller fingers, or you are an advanced player, you just want to play it up the neck, right? So here we are on frets 12, 11, 10. Okay, so we're on the 10th fret, and now we're holding the bar chord for G in the shape of A. So you're basically taking your A, bringing it up to fret number 12, okay? It's just an octave, open, 12, okay? And then you put your bass there on fret number, on the E string, fret number 12, 11, 10, exactly. So we're playing, the only important notes here are these two, 3rd fret of the E string and 10th fret of the E string, 12th fret of the B string. Okay, and the pattern is still the same: pluck, thumb, pick, thumb. Okay, so we have, let me just call this 1 and call this 2. So we have pluck, 1, 2, 1, pluck, 1, 2, 1. Okay. So now we've shifted from frets 10 to 11 to frets 12 to 12 and 13. Okay. So your B string shifts from 12 to 13, while your A string shifts from 10 to 12. Okay, so we have, and then we come to the C bar chord. Sorry, we have, and then we come here. This is fret 7 on the E string, on the A string, fret number 7, and then fret number 8 on the B string. Okay, so we have, let's do that again. Okay, and then we come to C, and then we play that B7, B minor, or E minor, which is 2nd fret of the A string and 3rd fret of the B string. And then we go open. This is now 3rd fret of the 6th string, which is the lower E, and open on the B string. Okay, so let's just do that again before we start plucking it the right way. Sorry. And then we come to C. C is 3rd fret of your E string and 5th fret of your B string. You can also play it as open on the E string. Okay, or right, so, and then, all right, now let's pluck. Now moving on. I'm sure there's another part where they were using that picking pattern, which is not the intro and the post chorus. Honest, I was a fool. Full of love and wild and free, chasing dreams, dream and possibility. Yeah. Okay, and then hope he treats you better than I ever could. Okay, so this second version of oh 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 is just a G. Oh 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 oh. It's just G, all right. Okay, so this part is the same as the plucking instructions that I gave you earlier on. So that's pretty much the whole song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.